Right now, let's talk about how you can save all of your emails on the iPhone. So, there are some things you should know about. Obviously, if you have some important things and files in your mailbox, which happens to a lot of people, you might want to get them all. So, a few options here depending on what you want to achieve. At first, you can open up the main settings app, tap on your profile, and tap on iCloud. And if you check out the mail, you can use it as a backup right there, so you can make sure that everything is synced in here and that you will have access to it on other devices, even on iCloud web version. So this is like the first step. It might help you out. But another very useful thing is to check out the privacy.apple.com website. So there you can find all of your data about your phone. So you can go in here like that. And you essentially need to sign in with your Apple account. So you just scan your face like this, and everything regarding your account will be in here. So as you can see, you have to go through it. But essentially, the point which I'm trying to get to is that you need to request your data, get a copy of your data. So at the top, you can see this is what you need to find right there. So you can download a copy of your data, which might include purchases, data history, and everything is going to be in here. So all of your emails and the attachments should also be part of this. So when you request it like that, you can select some things in here, but you should have the ability to just select the iCloud mail, at least if you don't want some other things, and then continue and request that type of thing, right? So that's how it works. Using this, you should be able to get it. Keep in mind that, again, saving and storing your important documents in email attachments is probably not a good idea for the future, but this is what you can do to retrieve the data. So thanks a lot for watching. Let me know below if it worked. Subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the future uploads.